Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the image too large problem using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your photos are too big to upload to websites, emails, or social media, this guide will help you reduce the file size quickly and easily. First, open the TinyPNG website in your browser. This free tool compresses large images automatically. Next, drag your large image into the upload area, so TinyPNG will instantly start reducing the file size. Now wait a few seconds while the tool compresses the image. It keeps the quality looking good while shrinking the file size. So click download after the process finishes. Your new image should now be much smaller and easier to upload. Next, upload the compressed image to your website, email, or social platform again. The upload error should now be fixed. Finally, keep your optimized images in a separate folder, so this helps you quickly find smaller versions for future uploads. And that's how to fix the image too large problem using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you compress your files properly, uploading images becomes much faster and easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more image optimization tutorials.